Is your battery constantly dying or are your lights flickering wildly? The voltage regulator ensures your alternator maintains steady voltage to charge the battery and power electrical systems. When it fails, your electrical system can go haywire with dangerous consequences. Let's identify the symptoms before expensive damage occurs. Dying battery repeatedly. A faulty regulator might undercharge the battery. You'll find the battery repeatedly low or dead because it never gets the proper charge. If you're frequently jump-starting your car, the regulator could be the culprit. The voltage regulator controls alternator output to maintain charging voltage between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. When it fails in the undercharging mode, the alternator produces insufficient voltage to replenish the battery. The driver finds the car difficult or impossible to start, especially after sitting overnight or after short trips. You jump-start the car and it runs fine while driving, but the battery never fully recharges. Within hours or days, it's dead again. Many people replace the battery multiple times before discovering the real problem is the voltage regulator failing to maintain proper charging voltage. Battery with bubbling. On the flip side, a bad regulator might allow overcharging. Signs include a swollen battery case, boiling or bubbling battery fluid, or a strong sulfur rotten egg smell from the battery. Overcharging can ruin a battery quickly. When the voltage regulator fails and allows voltage to exceed 15 volts or higher, the battery receives too much charging current. The driver might notice the battery case looks bloated or distorted from internal pressure. Opening the battery caps reveals electrolyte that's bubbling or boiling from excessive heat. The characteristic rotten egg smell comes from hydrogen sulfide gas released during overcharging. This condition damages battery plates permanently and can cause the battery to explode in extreme cases, making it a serious safety hazard requiring immediate attention. Dimming or flickering lights. One common sign is unstable lighting. Your headlights and dashboard lights may dim at idle or pulse or flicker with engine RPM. This indicates inconsistent voltage output that the regulator isn't controlling. The voltage regulator should maintain steady voltage regardless of engine speed or electrical load. When it malfunctions, voltage fluctuates wildly as alternator RPM changes. The driver notices headlights that get brighter when revving the engine and dimmer at idle. Dashboard lights pulse or flicker in rhythm with engine speed. Interior lights might dim when turning on accessories like the heater or wipers. This unstable voltage stresses all electrical components and makes night driving difficult and dangerous as headlight brightness becomes unpredictable and inconsistent throughout driving. Overly bright lights or blown bulbs. If the regulator is letting voltage spike too high, you might notice headlights that are unusually bright. Dash lights might also get too bright. In severe cases, bulbs, including headlights or taillights, can burn out frequently due to overvoltage. Electrical bulbs are designed for specific voltage ranges, typically 12 to 14 volts. When the voltage regulator fails and allows 16, 17, or even 18 volts to flow through the system, bulbs receive much more power than rated. The driver sees extremely bright headlights that seem almost blue-white instead of normal yellow-white. Dashboard illumination becomes uncomfortably bright. Bulbs burn out prematurely, sometimes within days or weeks instead of years. Replacing bulbs repeatedly without fixing the voltage regulator just wastes money, as new bulbs will also fail quickly. Charging warning light illuminated. The battery icon or ALT or GN warning lamp on your dash will often glow if the system voltage is out of range. A bad regulator can trigger this as the car detects undercharging or overcharging conditions. Modern vehicles constantly monitor charging system voltage and compare it to acceptable parameters. When voltage drops below approximately 12.5 volts or rises above 15 volts, the warning system activates. The driver sees the red battery-shaped warning light, or ALT light, on the instrument cluster. This light might stay on constantly or flicker on and off as voltage fluctuates. The warning indicates the charging system isn't functioning properly, though it doesn't specifically identify the voltage regulator as the problem without further testing using a multimeter. Random warning lights appearing. Modern cars may throw on the check engine light, ABS light, or others if voltage is erratic. Control modules get unhappy with voltage outside expected parameters, leading to random warning lights when the regulator fails. Today's vehicles contain dozens of electronic control modules that require stable voltage to function properly. When the voltage regulator fails and allows wild voltage swings, these sensitive computers malfunction or shut down. The driver sees multiple warning lights illuminating on the dashboard simultaneously or intermittently, including check engine, ABS, traction control, airbag, and stability control lights. Scanning for diagnostic codes might reveal multiple unrelated fault codes from different systems. These seemingly random electrical gremlins all trace back to unstable voltage from the failed regulator. Erratic instrument cluster behavior. You might see your gauges acting strangely. For example, the speedometer or tachometer could bounce or drop to zero and back. The entire dash might even reset as if you turned the car off and on due to voltage drops. The instrument cluster relies on steady voltage to display accurate information. When voltage fluctuates from a bad regulator, gauge motors and digital displays malfunction unpredictably. The driver watches the speedometer needle swing wildly or drop to zero while driving at constant speed. The tachometer jumps around randomly. The odometer or trip meter might reset. Digital displays flicker, go blank, or show incorrect information. Sometimes the entire instrument cluster reboots, with all warning lights illuminating briefly as if the ignition was cycled, indicating severe voltage instability. Engine performance problems. A malfunctioning regulator can cause engine issues. The engine may stall, run rough, or hesitate because fuel injectors and ignition coils aren't getting consistent power. You might experience misfires or poor acceleration linked to these voltage swings. Modern engines depend entirely on electronic fuel injection and ignition systems that require precise voltage. When the voltage regulator fails, these systems receive inconsistent power. The driver experiences rough idle, engine hesitation, stumbling during acceleration, or complete stalling, especially at idle. The engine might misfire as ignition coils fail to generate adequate spark during voltage drops. Fuel injectors pulse inconsistently, causing lean or rich conditions. The engine control module itself might reset during severe voltage drops, causing sudden stalling that's dangerous in traffic or at highway speeds. Burning smells from components. Overcharging can overheat wiring and electrical components. You might notice a hot electronic smell or burning plastic or rubber odor. Sometimes an overcharging alternator will produce this smell as internal components fry. If you notice this along with any of the above signs, stop driving and investigate immediately. Excessive voltage forces too much current through wires, connectors, and components not designed to handle it. The driver smells burning insulation, melting plastic from overheated relays or fuses, or hot electronics odor from stressed circuit boards. The smell might come from the engine bay or through the ventilation system. This indicates serious overheating that can start electrical fires. Continued driving risks catastrophic failure, including alternator fire, wiring harness damage, or complete electrical system destruction requiring thousands in repairs. Stop immediately if you smell burning electrical components.